How to connect Koodo Internet. Step 1. Unbox the equipment. Make sure you received modem, Wi-Fi router, coax cable, Ethernet cable, and power adapters. Step 2. Connect the coax to cable. Find the coax wall outlet in your home, then connect one end of the coax cable to the wall outlet and the other one to the modem. Then tighten it by hand gently. Step 3. Plug in the modem power cable. Connect the modem power adapter, plug it into the wall, and wait several minutes. The modem lights will begin flashing while it connects. Step 4. Connect the router to the modem. Using the Ethernet cable, plug one end into the modem LAN port, plug the other end into the router WAN or Internet port, and then power on the router. Wait 2 to 5 minutes for the Wi-Fi light, the Internet light, and the connection light to stabilize. And then connect your phone or computer to Wi-Fi. Look on the router sticker for the Wi-Fi name and the Wi-Fi password, and then simply connect them. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.